Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. Well, today I thought let's make something unusual. Of course, a starter with chicken, but something unusual. Of course, you've seen these ingredients before, but we generally don't make this. Even if we make this, we make it like a kafrial or we make it like a hariyali. But this, with basic, simple, quick ingredients, is a wonderful starter. Let's begin with a quick, simple and easy starter, of course with chicken. Spicy coriander chicken. Let's begin with marinating the chicken. Now this is boneless chicken breast because of course it cooks in a jiffy, and for a starter which could be last minute, this just works wonders. To this I'm going to add in turmeric. Now because this is a spicy coriander based starter, I'm not going to use red chilies. I'm going to use lots of green chilies to accentuate, rather increase the taste and increase the flavor of coriander. I've added in roasted coriander seeds which are crushed. To this I'm going to add in Garam Masala powder along with black pepper powder. Salt, of course, as required. And we mix this and keep it aside. And let's move on to the second component, and that is actually the heart of this recipe, and that is the spicy coriander chutney. So let's begin with coriander, of course, sorted, washed and ready. To this I'm going to add in chilies. Now these are chilies actually of two varieties. Now of course this one, which is the darker green chili, is the spicier version, and this one, which is the paler green, is the non-spicy version. Well, the darker one of course has a lot of spice, has a lot of pungency, and the lighter one has a lot of flavor. So of course I like using a mix of these two chilies, but you can choose the chilies that you like. To this I'm going to add in peeled garlic cloves, and along with this ginger. Without adding water, I'm going to cover this and run this into a paste. With this, our spicy coriander chutney is done and ready. The next step is to move on to, of course, cooking all of this. For this, I'm going to heat a wok on high flame and add in oil. Well, of course, this recipe can also be made with ghee or butter, but oil, I think, just works perfectly for me. Once the oil heats up, I'm going to add in bay leaves, and along with this, chopped red onions. We need to cook the onions till they lightly get golden brown in color. Time to add in the marinated chicken. And along with this, I'm also going to add in the chutney. Stir this well and cook this on high flame for 6 to 7 minutes. With this, our spicy coriander chicken is done and ready. This is only cooked on high flame. Do not reduce the flame, because if you reduce the flame, the chicken will start leaving its water, will start leaving its moisture, and that will almost make this like a gravy. Do not do that. Cook this only on high flame. Finally, after shutting the flame, I'm going to add in lemon juice. Give this a quick mix, and this straight goes in the serving platter. With this, your spicy coriander chicken is done and ready. Isn't it quick, simple and easy? Well, for more such stunning recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried. Bye for now.